Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you how you can send optional parameters using Web API. First, this is pretty basic API controller. We have method that we are passing through root, parameter 1 and parameter 2. Let's start the Swagger. When the Swagger loads, you will see that in Swagger the both parameters are required, but for this to work we don't use Swagger, because to actually configure it in Swagger you need to do a lot of manipulation in program CS, and to actually make this work we will use Postman. Let's send the request, and as you can see, parameter 1 is 123 and parameter 2 is 543. This is sent from URL, and if we delete the second parameter, we will get an error 404. And let's kill the application and try again. To actually make this second parameter optional, all we need to do is make this string or whatever parameter you work with nullable, set the default value to null, and in root annotation class we need to add question mark. Let's try now. As you can see, in Swagger both parameters are still required, but in Postman application, if we execute same request as before, we get the working result. But if we skip the second parameter, we will have the application working. So we actually made the second parameter nullable, and we make the request that returns 200, which is okay. One bonus trick, if you want to make parameters good, you can do by setting the first parameter in the root annotation class with double dot GUID, and also for the second parameter you need to set double dots GUID, and after that you put a question mark. Also you need to change input parameter type. Okay, let's try that now. Okay, this is opened in Swagger. One bonus tip for you: if you need a quick demo GUID data, you need to go on tools and then create GUID. For my use case, I will choose the fourth option. I will create new GUID, copy, and paste in Postman. Delete these curly brackets. Let's double this GUID because we need two parameters. We can close this generator, send the request, and we got parameter 1 and parameter 2. Now, since this is the nullable or optional parameter, we can delete second parameter and we will still have working API, as you can see. So this is pretty good tip when you need to include some optional parameter data. So I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe and have a nice day.